All right, guys, so this is a Dana 27 here. We've got it at the shop, so we're going ahead and we're priming this up. We pulled everything out of it and got it cleaned up and pressure, blasted and everything when we went ahead and primed it. But look, if you see here, 27A is actually stamped on this case. They look very similar. The only difference is the hubs. So let's just say that you can't find this number. Maybe it's covered in grease, I don't know. We get guys call all the time. What you can do is you can actually look on the bearings. If you've got a Dana 27, it's got LM marked on the bearing. If you've got a Dana 25, it does not. It's got a number. So 25 is a number, 27 has the LM stamping on it. So 27's right here, and you see the 25 on Mike's CJ3B, and then you see the 25 on my CJ2A. So that's 27 versus a 25 front axle. So I hope that helps, guys, when you're looking to see what you need to order for parts. Thanks for watching, guys.